Number one, I would say that, and this is especially for women, or women in menopause, is they don't tend to eat enough protein. Okay, eating enough protein at every meal and healthy fats is really, really important, because protein builds the neurotransmitters in the gut. It builds it builds collagen. It is so important for keeping muscle. That's a really important one. Number two, obviously, this is one everyone knows, but engage in regular exercise. And even if that's, a daily walk, stretching, Pilates is a great one. Sort of functional movement is really important, especially as we age. Avoiding sugar and refined carbs. Refined carbs being white foods, and try and focus more on complex carbohydrates like sweet potatoes, yams, squashes, those kind of things for carbohydrates. It's harder to metabolize carbohydrates as we age. Learn to manage stress would be number 4. So a quick meditation session in the morning. There's a lot of great apps out there now that can do a 3-minute meditation that has a big impact on how the rest of your day will go. Grounding, getting outside with your feet on the earth every day is a really good one for just calming the central nervous system. So some quick and easy ways to help manage stress. Breathing, of course, is a very important one. Diaphragm breathing, box breathing. Number 5, consume healthy fats. Healthy fats, we know extra virgin olive oil, but we're not cooking with that or use that as a finishing for foods. Butter, grass-fed butter, ghee, all sorts of healthy fats. As we know, the brain is 60% fat, if not more, if I'm not mistaken. So it's important to feed that, and making sure to take essential fatty acids. Omega-3s are very, very important as a foundational supplement, as they help your cells stay supple and allow nutrients to flow in and out of them. Number 6, avoid overeating and undereating. So avoid, binging, especially late at night. It's good to sort of say, I'm cutting off eating at a certain time so that your body has a time to rest and digest through the night. Number 7, drink green tea. That's a great one. Reliance on too much caffeine can be problematic, especially as we age, but green tea has L-theanine in it, which is very calming. Eat fatty fish. That goes hand in hand with omega-3 supplementation, but sardines, wild salmon, those are great examples of how to increase essential fatty acids. Consider bioidentical hormone replacement therapy if that's something that you have access to, and once you would do your hormone testing, this would be easy to identify, and working with a skilled practitioner could really help you to increase and manage those levels. And number 10, targeted supplements. Those can be very helpful as well for people as we age, where just to fill in some of the gaps of nutrients.